So here's the door handles. This is the original handle that came off the Nova. So this rod extends when you depress the button, press the button, extends just over 2¼ inches. So the door opened fine with this handle. Of course, this is the original handle. Can't beat the original. This handle is from Classic Industries. And it's got some, this is actually the second handle. I exchanged the first handle for this handle because this handle wasn't quite as bad. But it's got, as you can see, it's got some issues. It's pretty scratched up. On top of that, this rod only extends just about 1/8 under 2¼ about 2 3/16. So the door won't open. You can't even get the door open with this one. And the spring is really firm. I mean, it really takes a lot to press that compared to the original. The original is much lighter spring than this one from Classic Industries. So I ordered another set from AMD, and these are trim parts. Door handles. These are beautiful. No scratches. They're perfect. This rod extends about 1/8 past 2¼ like the original, so I don't think I'm gonna have any issues getting the door open with this handle. And the spring tension is much closer to the original spring tension, so it doesn't take a gorilla to push the button in. So total cluster just for this one part, but these are just absolutely perfect. I mean, these are like my Chevelle handles when I got them. There's like no issues, no scratches. They haven't been returned. They haven't been installed on somebody's car and all the usual bullshit that goes on. So I'm really happy with these were $85.99 shipped, free shipping. Normally on most of the sites, these run about $98 plus shipping. These were, I think, $59.99 or $56.99 normal price. I got a little discount, so I got them for like $45.99, which is a good price. But two strikes against this particular handle. It's got the scratches, noticeable, and the rod doesn't extend far enough, so it's useless. The original door handles run about, I think it was $150 a piece to get them re-chromed. So if I was doing a concours numbers car, that might be the way to go. But this is the way we're going to go instead. Trim parts, AMD Direct.